2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.